If you suffer from insomnia at night, just prepare this tea and drink a cup of it at night before going to bed. Pour 40 grams of powdered fennel into 1 liter of cold water and boil it for 10 minutes. Then put it in a boiling kettle and let it stay for 10 minutes. Then filter this tea with the help of a strainer. After this tea cools down, sweeten it with some honey and put it in the refrigerator. To treat insomnia, it is enough to drink a cup of this tea 2 hours before going to bed at night. In this case, you will sleep easily and peacefully like a baby. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.